Denmark is one of the most socially progressive countries in the world and a very popular exchange destination. You can choose a 2 or 3 month program departing in November, or a 5 or 10 month program departing in either January or August each year. You will stay with a volunteer Danish host family. Host families come in all different shapes, sizes and backgrounds and could live just about anywhere in Denmark. All host families undergo a criminal background check, are interviewed in their home and reference checked before they are approved to host. You will be enrolled in a local high school called a gymnasium. You will select subjects based on the stream of study you choose. Each school has at least one stream focusing on mathematics and natural science, foreign languages and social studies. Compulsory subjects include classical studies, religious studies, Danish, English, history, mathematics, physics, physical education, and social studies. You must be between the ages of 15 and 18 and be enrolled at school when applying. Exceptions may be made for 14-and-a-half-year-olds. You can apply for a gap year, but cannot be older than 18 and a half at the end of your program. There are no formal language requirements for Denmark. Your motivation to learn the language and experience the culture is more important than your formal language studies. Aussies and Kiwis will travel on a tourist visa for short programs lasting 2 to 3 months. On longer programs, our partner will help you apply for your student visa after you arrive in Denmark. Application deadlines for the longer programs are typically 4 to 5 months prior to departure and early August for the short programs departing in November. But don't leave it to the last minute to apply. Check out our website for details or give us a call. You may like to take advantage of our scholarships or early bird discounts and secure your spot even earlier.